So I want to show you how to replace this door sweep on this door. It's really super simple. I ordered this online. I definitely recommend this sweep. This is nice and easy. If you have one of these ripped sweeps on your door, I'm going to show you how to do it real simple. The package came in the mail within a couple days as usual. This is the one here that I ordered, and this thing works great. You just pop it right back in. So yeah, all you have to do is just slide off the old one and pop in the new one. Take off the door up the hinges, which is really easy to do. Just take out those pins. That's easy. Take off the door, get some help, no question, and make sure you clean out the old areas. That way you don't want to ruin the new rubber, because this is a rubber seal, and just clean it all up just like you're seeing here. Pop off. You can see here how it comes off, and just use a screwdriver and just pry it off. It comes right off really, really easy. And this is a nice quality product made in the USA, which is really nice quality as well. I love this product. You can see here, it just pops right off. See those grooves? Comes right off. Super simple. You don't have to hurt yourself. Just slide it right off, just like you see there. And when you get the new one, I just use my hand to bang it on. I don't use a tool because I don't want to ruin the rubber. And that's it. Just kind of pop it back on, pop the door back in, pop in the hinges, and you're good to go. I definitely recommend this, and I appreciate your time as always. Hope you learned how to replace your door sweep.